Thinking about removing the front bumper on your Jeep Patriot? Maybe your headlights are foggy, your grille is cracked, or you are upgrading to a new bumper cover. Whatever the reason, you are in the right place. Welcome to Espanglish Garage, where we make car repairs simple, straight to the point, and beginner friendly. By the way, how many clips do you think are holding this bumper? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove your front bumper on your Jeep Patriot, step by step. Don't worry, you won't need any special tools or mechanic experience. I will guide you through the whole process, show you every clip and screw, and give you pro tips along the way so you can do it safely and with confidence. Let's get right into it. Now, some of the tools that you will need to complete this job. Screwdriver, Torx by the way, ratchet or wrench, and last but not least, plastic clip remover. You can use a flathead screwdriver as well. Down to business. Now take a look at the front bumper. There are several key attachment points you'll need to remove, and I'm gonna walk you through all of them one by one. Using a screwdriver or a ratchet, we're gonna begin removing all these screws at the top of the bumper, and make sure you put them on a safe place. We don't wanna lose any of them. Do you know that in this bumper there is a hidden bolt? I will show you as soon as we get to it. Now we're heading to the front wheel wells. Turn your wheels outward to give yourself space, but as you can see, I didn't really need that. Then look just behind the front edge of the bumper. You will see screws holding the bumper to the inner fender liner, and we need to remove those. If we keep looking more to the inside, we are gonna find the first clip, the first plastic clip that we need to remove. Now if we keep looking to the edge of the bumper right here where I'm showing in this video, you will find a hidden screw. Some people miss it because it is kind of hidden and the position of this screw is a bit uncomfortable, but nothing too crazy. You will see how simple it is to remove. Just keep in mind that this bolt or this screw is hidden and you're not gonna be able to see it right away, but that doesn't mean that you will need special tools to remove it. There is more attached to this bumper than just screws and plastic clips. I will show you in a little bit what I'm talking about. Now we go down the bumper and you will see two more clips. This is the passenger side of the car. Keep in mind that at the driver's side we still need to remove the same amount of screws and plastic clips. Now that we know everything that we need to disconnect outside the bumper, we're gonna begin by removing the screws on the top. But keep in mind that even though after removing all the screws and plastic clips, the bumper is not gonna be completely free, there is something still attached to the inside of the bumper that we will need to disconnect. The reason why I was removing my Jeep Patriot front bumper was because I was working on my AC, and to have a better access to it I had to remove the bumper. But I'm curious, what are you working on that you need to remove your front bumper? Drop a comment below. I wanna know. If you are doing more work on your Jeep Patriot, check out my channel. I have lots of videos on headlights, sensors, belts, and much more. Because there is a lot of screws and plastic clips holding this front bumper, you could easily forget or miss one of them. What would happen if that would be the case? Well, honestly, a lot. The bumper might still come off, but it would crack, bend, or rip a mounting tab in the process. And once those tabs breaks, the bumper won't line up when you put it back on. You can easily get gaps, rattle, or worse, it won't align properly anymore. So that's why I always double check everything, every single corner before pulling. A few extra seconds here saves a big headaches later. Now the socket that I'm using to remove these screws right here, holding the liner to the fender, I really forgot, since I made this video long ago, I really forgot what size this bolt, what size these screws are. If you know the size of these screws, please leave it in the comments so that way we can all help each other. This is gonna be beneficial for everybody. But if I am not mistaken, it is a 6mm or even 7mm, nothing bigger than that. Here is something that a lot of people underestimate: the value of patience during this assembly. Every clip and screw is designed to hold the bumper tight, especially at highway speeds. If you rush and break just one, you'll either have to replace it or you will have bumper vibrations, sagging, or coming loose over time. So take your time, put all the screws in a safe place so you don't miss any, and remember that this isn't just about getting the bumper off, it's about making sure it goes back on clean, snug, and safe. At this point, the bumper might seem like it is completely loose, but your light cables are still connected and we have to take care of that. We're gonna go ahead and remove each one of them. All we have to do is press on the tab on the connector and then gently pull. The light connector will be completely disconnected from the bumper. You might be tempted to leave the lights plugged in and just hang the bumper, but disconnecting them makes your job cleaner and safer. You don't want to accidentally stretch the wires or stress the connectors when moving the bumper around. A clean disconnection now avoids headaches later, and it'll make reinstallation a lot smoother too. Let me know in the comments, have you ever broken one of those connectors before? I think we all have, at least once.